Welcome to this NewTechWood installation guide for vertical fluted siding. In this video, we will see how to install the UH61 and UH58 profiles, two fluted panels that offer a modern and elegant appearance for your exterior wall projects. Before starting, take a moment to properly plan your project. Check local building codes, as some provinces have their own requirements for exterior cladding. Also, make sure to never install a damaged board. It would not be covered by the warranty. Store your products flat, in a dry place, away from sun or moisture. Finally, verify that your surface is flat, solid, and level. Required tools and materials. Before starting, make sure you have the right materials. CS 100 stainless steel screws, number 8 stainless steel screws, 1 1/4 inches, number 5 stainless steel screws, 1/2 inch, AW 26 clips, and AW 24 double clips for certain sections. Wear your safety equipment, gloves, glasses, long sleeves, and protective mask. Use your usual carpentry tools, but always with a new carbide tipped blade for clean and precise cuts. Wall preparation. The cladding must never be installed directly on a flat surface. First, install your furring strips at a maximum spacing of 16 inches or 406 millimeters center to center. In several regions, including Quebec, double furring is mandatory for vertical installations. It ensures better ventilation and proper wall drainage. Take the time to properly level your strips before beginning installation. Don't forget to also install the bug screens. Installing the trim. Start by installing your finishing trim and corner trim, the UH50 for exterior edges, the UH51 for exterior corners of the Norwegian model, and for the Belgian model, use the UH59 and UH60. Make sure they are straight and level, as they define the visual quality of the finished wall. In interior corners, install an aluminum drip edge. Then always leave a space of approximately 3/4 inch or 20 millimeters between the trim and the ground to allow water to drain. Installing the first board. Place the first UH61 or UH58 board inside the end trim, then secure it. Then secure it on the side adjacent to the UH50 finishing trim with a visible screw on the facade, screwing between the strips so that the screw is as discreet as possible. And on the other side, using an AW 26 clip attached to the furring with an 8 stainless steel screw, 1 1/4 inch. Using a wood guide is strongly recommended. It greatly helps with positioning the first board and maintaining uniform spacing over the entire wall height. Pre-drill the mounting holes for the boards larger than the screw, but smaller than the head to reduce tension on the board during expansion and contraction. Installing subsequent boards. For the second board and all following ones, insert the board into the clip from the previous row. Then secure the AW 26 clips on each furring strip, always with a number 8 stainless steel screw, 1 1/4 inch. Each clip holds the board, but only the top clip must be locked using a number 5 stainless steel screw, 1/2 inch. This allows the board to expand freely without creating stress. For installations greater than 78 inches and 3/4 or 2,000 millimeters, it is advisable to lock 2 clips, the first and second from the top. Installing the interior corner. For interior corners, simply place 2 boards back to back, providing a small aluminum piece or drainage profile behind the joint to prevent water infiltration. Installing the last board. Once you reach the end of the wall, measure the remaining space between the last board and the wall, then cut the board to the right dimension. Then install the T7 spacers to prevent the last board from moving back 1/4 inch. Then secure the board on the facade using CS 100 stainless steel screws after pre-drilling the mounting points. Recommended installation sequence. Once your first section is completed, it is strongly recommended to continue from the exterior corner and work inward. Finish your installation on the least visible wall or in a more discreet area. This will ensure a uniform appearance on the most visually exposed sections. Finishing the top of the wall. To finalize the installation, install aluminum flashing on the last board to protect the wall against moisture. Secure the flashing using stainless steel screws, then seal everything with a clean and discreet finishing joint. Final result. And there you have it. Your NewTechWood UH61 or UH58 vertical fluted siding installation is complete. You get a straight, uniform, and perfectly ventilated wall with a modern and durable look. Thank you for following this NewTechWood installation guide.